Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Aura channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to add a Facebook link on Reddit for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start it. Okay, go to the Reddit application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Reddit. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. Click on and go to the My Profile. After that, you can see there is a symbol plus to add social link here. Click on it and click the Facebook. And the next step, you can go to the Facebook first to copy about the link. Okay, you can go to the three strip in the upper of the right corner and you can see about the profile here. Click the three dots beside of edit profile and you can click copy link. And now you has copied for the link your Facebook. Okay, let's go to the Reddit. Go to the Facebook again, and after that you can type in the https website.com here. You can paste here, and after that you can type about the display text. And if you're done to get it, you can click a symbol of the checkup in the upper of the right corner. Go back to the edit here, go back. And now your Facebook link here is add for your profile. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to add a Facebook link on Reddit for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for all the attention and bye.